Hello, Namaste, welcome to Life Talks by AJ. In today's video, we are going to talk about the power of gratitude. All of us practice gratitude throughout our lives. But the point is, do we practice it enough for us to be able to create a magical life for ourselves? Okay, let me put it this way. We have 86,400 seconds in a day. How many of these do we use to express gratitude for the gifts that we have got or the services that we have got from somebody? The problem is not with us. The problem is with the way we have been programmed to think and behave. We have been programmed to focus on what we do not have rather than appreciate what we already have in our lives. Now you might think, here I am struggling in my life and there she is talking about gratitude. Or my life is in a mess. What should I be grateful for? Hold on. Let me count your blessings for you. If you woke up today morning, you need to be grateful for the fact that you are alive, because there are many who went to bed yesterday night but did not open their eyes to the sunrise today. If you have a family by your side, there is a reason for you to be grateful, because there are many who do not have a family or who have lost their loved ones. If you can breathe effortlessly, if you have clean water to drink, if you have food to eat, there is a reason for you to be grateful. If you have roof above your head, there is a reason for you to be grateful, my friend, because there are many who slept on footpaths yesterday night. If you have a job and your salary is being credited to your account month on month, whatever may be the amount, however small it may be, you have a reason to be grateful, because you are aware and you know of many people who have lost their jobs in this pandemic. If your body performs all that your mind asks it to do for you, you have a reason to be grateful. Because there are many who are bedridden on this planet, waiting for the mercy of their loved ones to be able to perform activities of their daily living. So just look around and appreciate all that you have got in this life. So the next question would be, okay, I understand gratitude, what it is, but why should I do it? Why should I practice gratitude? What is it going to give me? The law of attraction says, where attention goes, energy flows and results show. So if you focus on lack or scarcity, you start manifesting more of lack and scarcity by law. If you focus on abundance and blessings, you start manifesting more of abundance for yourselves. It is that simple. Gratitude is the first lesson in law of attraction, and it is the first process by which you start manifesting your goals easily in your lives. When you express your gratitude, or when you feel your gratitude for something, you start vibrating at a higher frequency. You can experience it for yourselves. You start vibrating at a higher frequency, you feel good about it, and that is how you manifest more of good things for yourselves. You achieve your goals faster by practicing this single virtue in your life. Now, those who do not have great goals, those who are happy with the way life it is, with the way the life is for them, it is still okay and it is still appreciated to practice gratitude, because researchers have shown that those who practice gratitude are happier and they tend to have a greater sense of well-being than those who do not practice gratitude. So that is a good enough reason for us to practice gratitude, isn't it? Okay, so now the next question would be, how do I practice gratitude? I told you earlier, we are not programmed to focus on what we already have in our lives. We are programmed differently. We are programmed to focus on what we do not have. So we will have to cultivate this attitude of gratitude. We'll have to seriously start looking around mindfully and consciously for things and services that made us happy. And we'll have to start feeling grateful and saying thank you for all those things in our lives.
In the book The Magic, author explains everything about gratitude. The book says
how this single virtue can be used in all spheres of our lives. That is, may it be career, may it be health, may it be relationship, success, wealth, anything. You can use gratitude and manifest more of good things in your lives. If you are interested to know more about this book, I'll give the link in the description box, and you may go and check that out. Personally, I practice gratitude early in the morning as soon as I get up from bed, and just before going to bed at night. Now, why early in the morning is, you also might have experienced this. As soon as you get up in the morning, your mind starts thinking about all negative things from the past. To avoid this, I just get up and close my eyes and say thank you to God for all that He has given me in this life. I use this time to connect to the source. In my case, it is God. In your case, it could be universe, cosmos, divine, God, anything. I use this time to truly appreciate all the good things that I have got. Similarly, at night before going to bed, I list down things that made me happy through the day. The services that brought smile on my face throughout the day. This is called as writing down in a gratitude journal. You could maintain such a journal. It is just a book, and you could list down all that you experienced through the day which made you happy. Now, merely listing down will not help. You will have to feel it. You will have to catch the feeling. You will have to think in terms of how it would have been without these privileges, and how does it feel now that I have been given these gifts or services by somebody. You might feel happy, relieved, stress-free, whatever the good feeling is. Just catch hold of the feeling and say thank you. Say thank you from the bottom of your heart. See how things change in your lives. If you feel whatever I said makes sense to you, you could also involve your children in this. That is, you could get creative and devise games for them in which they'll look around and appreciate all that you have given them or all that the life has given to them. This way, you will teach them to appreciate all that they have in their lives before seeking what they want in future. You will see them growing up as happy and content individuals who are able to achieve their goals faster. And needless to say, they'll thank you later when they grow up for what you taught them in childhood. So that's all for today from me for this video. And it is now time for me to express my gratitude towards all of you for being such a wonderful audience. Thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being such a great support for me. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your time and patience. I appreciate your presence here and appreciate you for being such a wonderful listener. Until we see next time, it is bye from me, AJ signing off. Happy living, guys.